Hey, my friends, welcome. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hello, my friends, and welcome to the next section of the mini course. Just to recap, in our last lesson, we went over a coaching session and how to make money utilizing coaching. Today, we're going to go over how to utilize an affiliate program to make money on your YouTube channel. So let's get into this session. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to find affiliate products that you can promote on your YouTube channel, in case you don't have your own product that you can promote. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you find other people's products and you promote those products, and you get a commission for every sale when someone buys off you. One of the easiest ways to find affiliate products that you can promote is to join an affiliate network. Affiliate networks are websites where product creators can add their products, and you can go over there and choose a good product for your topic or your niche, and you can promote that product as an affiliate. So a good example of an affiliate network is this website called Digistore24. So you can come to this website and click on Get Started here. It's going to bring you to this page where you can just fill in all the boxes. Go to the bottom of the page and click Continue, and you'll be able to create your account. Once you create your account with Digistore24 and you log into your dashboard, this is what you're going to see. Down here, you'll see your earnings and other statistics. If you come here to the top, which is View, you can click here and make sure it says Affiliate. That's when you're going to see your sales as an affiliate. If you select Vendor, that means you are a product owner. Just make sure you select affiliate, and that's how you're going to see your stats down here. To find affiliate products that you can promote, you need to go to the marketplace. On this page, what you want to do is scroll down. You're going to see many products that you can promote as affiliate. On the left, you can also see the various categories. First things first, you want to go down to language and make sure you choose English if it's in a different language. So right now we have English selected. Now what I'm going to do is select the category. You can come over here to digital products. Once you click here, you can select the category right here. If you want to promote products related to animals, pets, business, investments, computers, networks, internet, even dating, relationships, or romance. I'm in the digital marketing space, so I'll scroll down and find my niche. I'm going to select online marketing and e-business. This is my niche. So go ahead, select that. It's showing me products in that niche. Right here, what we're going to do is to find a good product, because there are a lot of products. They may not be particularly what you want. Make sure that the product you select you're going to promote is actually a product that's selling and that has a low refund rate. Because if people are getting lots of refunds, that means it's a bad product. What you want to make sure is that you're promoting a really good product. Okay, so just scroll down here, and there's one course I really like. Just go down here, select the course. It's called Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt. I've actually taken this course. I know it's a really good course, and it has a low refund rate. What you can do is go ahead and click on the product like this. It's going to bring us to this page where we can see more information on this product. Okay, so in the upper right, you can see the price. It's $586. This is what the product costs. So you can see right here, commission, it says 50%. Then earnings per card, $5. This is not that important. The vendor, we have payment method, so it's a single payment. We have card conversion, which is 3%, which is pretty good. Cancellation rate is 16%. Cancellation rate is the refund rate. And 16% is not that bad. Usually I'd advise for you to go for a product that has a refund rate of less than 10%. But since I've actually taken this course myself, I've watched all the content. I know it's actually a really good course. So maybe the reason why people are taking refunds is because Maybe the amount they paid is too much, they can't afford it. Who knows? But for me personally, I love this course. I think it's a really good course. I got a lot of value from it. But the one thing I suggest you do is, if you do have some money to buy this course, and take the product before you start promoting it. You don't have to promote a product that costs like $500. You can promote lower ticket products, and I'll show you how to find other affiliate networks next. And that's it for this lesson, folks. And here's a recap of what we went over in the last lesson. How to utilize an affiliate program to make money on your YouTube channel. In the next video, we're going to discuss a few other affiliate networks that you can utilize, and then I'm going to show you how to choose a product for your niche. Take care and see you in the next lesson.